Hi everyone, it's Devious Diesel, and yes, I own an excavator. He's named Pinchy because of the huge hydraulic claw, like Diesel 10 claw. Yeah, he's named Pinchy. And this thing's running on diesel fuel, like every other excavator. And as you can see, at the place where he is parked, the snow at the back of the exhaust is completely black. Yeah, because that thing running cold. So it's a Kubota, and it's a 2 tons. Yep. Right here we have the engines, 3 cylinders diesel engine, 900 cc. Yep. And of course the pinchy. That thing's very powerful. It can crush everything, literally everything. You don't want to be smashed by this because it could destroy literally everything. And the huge arm, it's completely made out of steel, huge steel. It's impossible to break this. Yep, a really awesome machine. I love it. So write into the comment if you want another video with Pinchy, and I can try to crush something with it. Like here into the scrapyard, I have an old water tank, and yes, I smash it just a little bit with the excavator, but I can make a video when I smash it or another thing. I have a lot of scrap here. It's really a scrap yard here. So yep, it was Devious Diesel. Have a great day. Ciao.